Welcome back to the Entrepreneur's Weekly Recap. So let me ask you a question. Is your team productive or are they just active? I mean, everyone's busy, the team's maxed out. You're in meetings, solving problems, juggling decisions. All of this feels like progress until you check the results and you realize nothing truly moved forward. Well, let's get real. Busy masks misalignment. If your people are maxed out, but the outcomes are stalled, you're not under capacity, you're over strategized. Urgency doesn't equal importance, and being first to act doesn't make the action strategic. Your role isn't to fuel the chaos. Your job is to slow things down, see clearly, and design for clarity, not just manage pressure. And yes, alignment is a KPI. Not because it's easy to measure, but because you must measure it. Align shows up in various areas, including goal clarity. Can your team explain how their work drives business outcomes? Decision consistency. Are they solving problems that actually move the needle? Execution speed. Aligned teams move faster with fewer meetings and less rework. And finally, ownership. Are your managers solving proactively or are they just escalating? If you're seeing friction, handoffs breaking, or constant pivots, you're not short on productivity. You're short on alignment. A well-run business doesn't reward hustle. It multiplies purpose. Now, in this week's content, I want to kind of hit some different areas. In our Confessions of a Business Owner, we looked at the silent cost of overfunctioning, how being too helpful to your team makes you a hidden constraint. In yesterday's Walk and Talk, being in the weeds might feel noble, but it's usually an operational failure disguised as involvement. On Tuesday's Straight to the Point, busy can't scale, systems can. And on Wednesday's podcast, we unpacked how false urgency spreads in teams and how to rebuild a culture around clarity, not chaos. Let's take a look at what happened in business this week. Meta's AI scheduling hits WhatsApp business. Small businesses now have AI-powered auto reminders and customer follow-ups because there's a subtle, quiet shift towards systems over staff. And Meta will also retire its workplace communication platform by this 31st, August 31st of this year. So they're looking at the migration partner, highlighting how the platforms can evolve and the risk of structure misalignment. Another area is Zoom. They're rebranding as a collaborative platform. They're not just a meeting tool anymore. They're fighting for the asynchronous future of work. And their message to owners, just because it's live doesn't mean it's effective. And they're also deepening their AI-first approach. They're now connecting with 16 third-party tools such as Jira, Asana, and ServiceNow to do automated platforms collectively to capture summaries and to streamline workflows. Speaking of WhatsApp, they added scheduling and business AI in their ads manager. Meta's Conversations 2025 event unveiled new tools, AI voice agents, improved calling, streamlined marketing campaigns across all of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp through their ads manager. This signals a shift towards more intelligent automation for small businesses. Now, next week, our topic is going to be built around "You're too valuable to be the bottleneck." We'll dig into the uncomfortable truth. If your business can't move forward without you, it's not your team that's failing, it's you and your structure. Now watch for the next Confessions of a Business Owner episode on Monday, and tomorrow is our strategic briefing. We're going to be covering a lot of ground on Saturday, and so enjoy what you can of the weekend, but nonetheless, this is going to be really good to dig into. I'm Randy Bridges. Thank you for coming to our Entrepreneurs Weekly Recap. We'll see you again next week.